Ever wondered why problems persist despite your best efforts to address them? What if the answer lies not in how you're solving the problem, but in how you're identifying it? Welcome to the world of the 5 whys, a problem-solving technique that can change your perspective on challenges and their solutions. Imagine you're dealing with production delays. An immediate answer might be that a machine broke down. But is that the whole story? The first why asks, why are there production delays? The answer, a machine breakdown. But let's not stop there. The second why probes into the first answer. Why did the machine break down? The response, lack of regular maintenance. We're starting to dig deeper now. The third why explores this further. Why was maintenance neglected? The response, the maintenance schedule was not followed. We're getting closer. The fourth why examines this oversight. Why was the schedule not followed? The answer, there was no proper tracking or accountability for maintenance tasks. And there it is. The root cause of the production delays isn't just a broken machine, it's the lack of proper tracking and accountability for maintenance tasks. By using the 5 whys, you've traced back the problem to its origin. Now, you can implement changes that address this fundamental issue rather than just fixing the immediate problem. This is not merely about a single machine's breakdown, but a systemic issue that, once resolved, can prevent future delays and improve overall productivity. To summarize, the 5 whys technique is a powerful problem-solving tool that digs beneath the surface to uncover the true root cause of an issue. It encourages a deeper understanding of problems, promotes a proactive approach to addressing them, and ultimately drives sustainable change. Remember, the goal isn't just to solve the problem, but to understand it. So, the next time you face a challenge, don't just ask why once, ask why 5 times. It might surprise you how much you can learn and change by asking one simple question. Thank you for joining this exploration of the 5 whys. Until next time, keep asking, keep exploring, and keep improving.